Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a quadratic equation problem from class 10 maths. So we are asked to solve this. That means we are asked to find out what are the possible values of x. আমি কি কৰিম আমি এটো completing the square method দি কৰিম okay we are using completing the square not any other method but this specific method exam ahi jay ketiaba je use a specific method to solve it. So completing the square karone moi protocol to koi disu ki koibo lagibo first take the constant to the right hand side so 2x square plus x equal to 6. Next ki koibo lagibo x square or coefficient to 1 banabo lagibo tar karone you have to divide both sides by 2 so this becomes x square plus x by 2 equal to 3. Next ami ki korim ei left hand side to square banabo lagibo eto so already square ase x square eto 2ab term to hoy so 2 into a into eto logot ki multiply korile x by 2 ahibo 1 by 4 teta hole hetu kati 1 by 4 ok 2 di katile 1 half thaki jabo. Now this becomes a square plus 2 into a into b so amar b square ki hogol 1 by 4 whole square this is equal to 3 kintu 1 by 4 whole square to extra hi gol so right hand side or pora eta right hand side ota eta add kobole. This becomes our a square plus 2ab plus b square etuk simplify korile a plus b whole square and this becomes 3 plus 1 upon 16 etu add korile ki hobo 16 3 is 48 hoy 49 by 16. Etia etuk ami duta likhibo lagibo x plus 1 by 4 once it will be plus 7 by 4 aru ebar hobo minus 7 by 4 dutar karone duta beleg beleg x or value ahibo. So for first part we get x plus 1 by 4 equal to 7 by 4 and this gives us x equal to etu epine gusi gole ki hoy jay 6 by 4 hoy jay that means 3 by 2 ako etu jodi etu lolu hoy x plus 1 by 4 equal to minus 7 by 4 in that case x becomes etu epine gusi gole minus 8 by 4 mane minus 2. So these two are the possible solutions of this given equation. I hope you have understood. Thank you.